everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. Today I'll be showing you how to make a summer body glow butter. So now the sun is so hot and it feels good on the skin to be out in the sun, but the tan lines don't feel that great in the end. So today I'll be showing you how to remove the tan lines and get the sun's beautiful glow on your skin. So first I'll be starting with these butters that I'm showing on here. So I have mango butter, I have shea butter, and cocoa butter. So I just shown that previously, and that one is the mango butter. And we all know what shea butter looks like. It's the middle butter there. It's an ivory color. And I'll be using strawberry seed oil, and our blend of face and body oils will be one of the main ingredients in this butter. I'll also be using sea buckthorn oil and kukui nut oil as well. So these are the carrier oils that I'll be adding to the butter. I'll also be using grapefruit essential oil and some lemon essential oil. So all these products that I'm using are very high in vitamin C. Notice how brightening skincare products are always high in vitamin C. So you just want to make sure that you incorporate butters that are high in vitamin C as well as oils that are high in vitamin C in this mix. So we don't offer lemon oil yet on our website, but that's one of the ingredients that I also add to this butter just to make sure that the vitamin C profile is high and effective enough. So you can just add lemon oil if you have it, or you can just purchase it as well. So I've gone ahead to to melt the butters down, and that's the blend of oils that I'll be adding to the mix. So you always want to make sure that you leave out some of the oils, and then you can top it up as you go, as you start whipping up the butter, just to make sure that you get a nice pliable big mixture so that it's not too dense or too light. You just want to make sure you set these oils aside for that purpose. So that's the sea buckthorn oil. Sea buckthorn oil is very high in vitamin C, and it has really nice omega-3 fatty acids that help to boost the skin's elasticity, and it helps with redness, acne, eczema, and other skin irritations. So once you just come in from the beach, you want to slather this butter on your skin and just relax in the hair conditioning. So I've already thought about all of that before making this product. So I'm sure you would enjoy the effect on your skin. So I'm just going ahead to whip the butter up. So you will notice that it's quite stiff, and obviously because it's so hot this summer, I want to make sure that it doesn't melt down while I'm traveling. So I've added some cocoa butter, which would help it to maintain some stability and not just completely melt down. So that's one of the benefits of adding cocoa butter to your DIY creations this summer. You can also add butters like Illy peanut butter, which are drier, harder butters that would help to maintain the texture of your butter. Just because nobody wants their butter to just completely melt down into an oil while they're flying to an even hotter destination this summer. So I know that the butter would just stay like this in my suitcase. So I'm quite confident. So cocoa butter has that benefit, and it's also high in vitamin C. It has healing properties for the skin, and I've actually tested this out on my own skin. So during the winter, we all tend to use warmer water all the time for showers and baths, and that sort of dries out the skin. And I've actually heard that like cracks the skin sometimes. But when I use cocoa butter, I do not experience any irritation or dryness just because cocoa butter has these healing benefits for the skin. And that's why I'm adding it to this summer glow butter. So you can see I've been topping up the oil as I whip it because when I started it was pretty stiff, but just going ahead, you can see that the butter has become a lot more pliable. It has also become a lot more soft. Just having to top up the oils just helps to ensure that you get a soft texture and the exact texture that you're looking for. So sometimes as you go ahead with the butter, it does get too soft or gets too stiff. So just having some oil on hand to balance things out, that really helps. So you can notice that the butter has become really creamy. So that's the function of the mango and the shea butter working together with the cocoa. That just helps the butter to have this rich, creamy texture. I really like how it's looking. So I'm just going to go ahead to add the sea buckthorn oil. So it's not an essential oil. However, it does alter the color of the creation. That's why you just want to leave it to the end and top up. Because I want a light shade of yellow. So I'm just adding it sparingly. And I'll also go ahead to add my grapefruit essential oil as well as the lemon essential oil. And I'm just going to whip up a little bit more just for good measure. And it just looks so creamy and beautiful. I love this butter. I can't wait to slather it on during my vacation. So obviously I'll be out in the sun more often. And when I get back, I do not like those tan lines on my skin. I mean, I definitely love the fact that I get tanned easily cuz I'm black. So but then I don't like the lines. So I just want to smooth everything out with a natural product as opposed to any other artificial brightening or lightening skin product out there. This just does the job nicely and with no negative side effects for my skin. So I'm just going to proceed to add more because I wanted it slightly darker. So that's one of the benefits of sea buckthorn oil. For some of the synthetic products out there, they add synthetic coloring, which may not be healthy for the skin, but this is a natural product that is obtained from seeds, and it just does the exact same thing and even adds more natural benefits for the skin. So I hope you're enjoying this video. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And if you do try this recipe, please let me know how it turns out. If you're looking for more precise instructions as well as the exact sizes and the exact amount of products used, you can visit our website where I will be uploading the full details after 1 or 2 weeks, I believe. I normally just upload the blogs on my website as well, just because I want people to have a closer relationship with us and not just, watch the videos and move on. But if you're looking for more interesting recipes, more instructions and advice, you can you can check out on our website. You can also send us an email, info@ustuforganics.org, and we will be happy to provide you with answers and advice. And if you normally make your own products for handmade sale on Etsy or other platforms, we actually do offer wholesale discounts for companies, and we do provide custom orders as well. Just send us an email with what you need and we'll be sure to respond. So this is the final look and I really like it. So I'll be ready to enjoy it after my sun exposure. Have a good day and thank you so much for watching.